Hello friends, I'm Himanshu and today I am going to share you a video regarding my daily life experience. My today topic is failure. Do you imagine if you got a big zero in exam? Then how do you feel? A student who is preparing for his exam desperately and curiously waited for the result, and when the result came out, then he declared as fail. What he do? Should he do again exam or else should he give up? And he also thinks that when their parents know about the result, then how they react. Lots of things are going through in his mind. According to me, if you got failure, then you can't be regret. If you don't failure, then you can't know the value of past. When you failure because of your mistake, then you have to learn a lesson from your mistake. I also got failures several times. My parents or my relatives told me that you can't speak English, and lots of critics came in my past time, and they also told me that you can't able to speak English. But now I'm trying. One day I will speak English, so I can't give up, and I am trying to speak English. I'm telling you the story of Bob Dev. He was a great scholar, and during his childhood his parents kept him in a Gurukul. Previously, school is called as Gurukul. In Gurukul, he is not willing his attention towards study, and he tried a lot and he did not get success. And once a day, his Gurudev told him that you can't do anything. You go to the home and do something else for your livelihood. And he came back to his home, and his Gurudev gave him some piece of bread so that when he feel appetite, then he take the bread. In the midway he feel appetite and thirsty, and he come to a well, and he saw that a small piece of rope drag the wall of the well and put a mark over there. Then he realized that both the wall as well as rope is a non-living things, and rope made a mark to the wall. So if I work hard with the right direction, then why can't I success? And he came back to the Gurukul and promised his Gurudev that he will work hard, and he changed, and he will become a great scholar, and he has written the good books also. So in Sanskrit he told us that करत करत अभ्यास से जन्मत हो सुजान, रसरी आवत जात से सिर पर परत निशान. So if you got failure, then never regret. Work hard, you will get success in your life. So if you learn something new, something special which motivates your life, then please like and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.